Life is tough and we all know that, often knocking us down when we least expect it. However, the true measure of strength isn't in avoiding these blows, but in rising after every fall. This guide covers 6 crucial lessons for anyone facing life's hardest challenges. These principles will help you fight your way back into the light, make meaningful contributions, and create a life filled with purpose and adventure. Remember, limits and fears are often just illusions. 1. Keep moving forward. Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are. It will beat you to your knees and keep you there if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life, but it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Pain is temporary. It may last a minute, or an hour, or a day, or even a year, but eventually it will subside and something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it lasts forever. The margin for error is so small. 1/2 a step too late or early, and you don't quite make it. 1/2 second too slow, too fast, you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. They're in every break of the game, every minute, every second. Number 2, protect your dreams and take action. You got a dream. You gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. If you want something, go get it. Period. Don't be afraid to fail. You can't always win, but don't be afraid of making decisions. You have to believe that something different can happen. He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually right. Most of you said that you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kinda want it. You don't want it more than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep. Number 3, fight your way back. Get up and don't ever give up. Or we can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell, 1 inch at a time. To be able at any moment, sacrifice what you are for what you will become. Most of you won't be successful because when you're studying and you get tired, you quit. I'm no good in rhyme because you never write before. Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft. Number 4, decide your path. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. You have to dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Figuring out for yourselves what makes you happy, no matter how crazy it may sound to other people. Make a choice. Number 5, create your own path. Now, I'll show you how great I am. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke, it's written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, and you, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Now, what are you gonna do? Number 6, don't quit, keep going. Don't cry to quit, cry to keep going. You're already in pain, you're already hurt. Get a reward from it. If you know what you're worth, go and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not point fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that. Every day is a new day. Every moment is a new moment. Now you've got to go out and show them that you're a new creature. If you found this guide helpful and want more insights to keep you motivated and empowered, don't forget to subscribe. Stay connected for more inspiration and tools to help you conquer life's challenges. Let's continue this together.